circling around. What do you guys think it's looking for?
Mom.
Or keeping track of? Yep.
Can you get those cars over there?
The cars? Why, honey? It's not going to take your cars, okay? Don't worry. But it is right above us. I wonder what it's looking for. Something really close because it's just right here. I wonder if there was a break-in or something. It's a police helicopter. Remember, it's the same one that was on the roof that we went to go visit a few days ago. That's the same helicopter. Remember we saw the police helicopter? I don't know. It's probably the one right here because that's our local police station. I don't know. You see the helicopter?
Water?
Nope, it's not a water drop, just a police helicopter. It's probably looking for somebody.
I saw sirens too. I heard sirens earlier too.
Look, it's going right above the tree.